Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura, and today we are making a portable chicken run for our baby chicks. We forgot to start filming until a little bit, but we are making this out of PVC pipe. So what I've done so far is cut 1/2-inch PVC pipe into 4-foot pieces and 2-foot pieces. And we're basically just creating 4 panels that are gonna be 4 feet wide by 2 feet tall, and then we're going to put the 4 panels together in a square and then put chicken wire all around. Okay, so we've already got the 4-foot pieces here, and we put on some of the elbows. So we're just using a standard elbow, and we're going to hook together the 2-foot pieces, and we're going to turn it into a square panel or a rectangle panel. We're going to turn it into a rectangle panel that we've already done. So we have our purple primer already done. So we've got our 2-foot that's already been primed. We're just going to put a little bit of glue on it and stick it into the hole. We're going to do the same for the other side here. You flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. You want to hold it together for about 10 seconds or so, and that creates our panel. So now we're going to take all 4 panels and connect them with zip ties. Here's our little girls, and this is who we're making that chicken run for, so they can come out and explore. Zip ties, God's gift to the world. So we have assembled the box, basically just zip tied it together. And now we're gonna put chicken wire around the outside. More zip ties. More zip ties. Okay, so here's our finished little tiny chicken run. What we basically did is take the 4 panels, put them together, run a 2-foot chicken wire around, and used about a bazillion zip ties to hold it all together. Let's see what the new little chicks think of it. What do you think, girls? Ooh, flapping their wings. Oh, they like it. Okay, so our little girls like their new digs. And of course we picked a day that it's like literally 90 degrees outside and heat wave here in Vermont, and to do this project. So like dripping, there is bugs everywhere, but our little girls like their new house. Don't you girls? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. What are they? What are they, Sally? What are they? Feisty, what are they? She does not know what to think of the little girls. Feisty, who are they? Feisty. Oh!